worship. I like to wake up and wait for the sunrise, devote and worship the God I love, then stand by my window, sing silently to catch a glimpse of Him, His voice whispering in the gentle wind. In the stillness, I scan the vast indigo sky, waiting patiently for nature's grand display. A hush lingers over the hills and rooftops as dawn stretches her golden fingers wide. With a flash she arrives, the regal wave spills across the horizon, her paintbrush swiping bold, fluid strokes. Magenta melts into tangerine, amber weaves through fiery gold, blazing a trail of God and glory. Coconut palms sway in quiet praise while mist curls like incense over the valleys. The world awakens in a crescendo of birdsong. And in this sacred moment, heaven brushes earth with the light. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Was grace that called my soul to sing, and grace that utterly, oh precious is that the I first believed. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saves a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. They're so beautiful. Look at this. So abundant. Awesome. So green. Oh, look at this fern.